blind, following your feet to try and outrun your fate. Standing in a field of flowers, cerebral voices the loudest, or hollering your name. Is it paradise? Only if it blows your mind and then blows away.
Sometimes you will, sometimes you deal, sometimes you have to rob and steal.
Call you a cinnamon, or call it second sight. Now they treat them all the same, and it's the thinnest line they hung you out by. You were holding my hands and say, hey, what if I only ever took what's mine? I wanted to tell them that if I could've led a different life, could've led a different life. But now I need somebody who could ease my mind, need somebody who could ease my mind. You know I could've led a different life, could've led a different life. Pulling me aside, giving me your last advice, and the whole house shakes, saying keep it in the family hide. Don't make the mistakes that I did, 'cause it'll weigh your soul away. And I would have tried if only it was black and white, but it's bullet gray.
Sometimes you will, sometimes you deal, sometimes you have to rob and steal.
Call you a cinnamon, call it second sight. Now they treat them all the same. It's the thinnest line to hang you by. Holding my hands and saying, you know I only ever took what's mine. I wanted to tell them that if I could've led a different life, could've led a different life. But now I need somebody who could ease my